Fairy tale. Belling the cat. Once there was a big warehouse where bags of rice were stored. There were many mice living there. There was also a stray cat that often came to the warehouse in search of food. The cat would come there silently, chasing the mice and eating them. Every day, that cat came and hunted the mice. All the mice were very frightened and decided to have a meeting. They all gathered in the warehouse and started their discussion. The mice were very confused and couldn't think of any solution to stop the cat. At last, a very young mouse got up and said, "I have a plan that seems very simple, but I am sure it will be successful. We should tie a bell around the cat's neck. If they tied the bell around the cat's neck, the mice could hear the sound of the bell when the cat came. But in the midst of their exuberance, an old mouse stood up and said, "I think that the plan suggested by young mouse is very good. But let me ask one question. Who will tie the bell around the cat's neck?" Moral of the story: most things are easier said than done. It is one thing to say that something should be done, but quite a different matter to do it.